Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to our channel Technology, and today in this video I'm going to show you guys how to upgrade your Windows 10 version to in 2004. So you just need to follow me. So first of all, you have to check your Windows version. In my case, so I have to go to my start menu and type over there win, then ver. Also you can put this command on your run box also. Just put the same command like winvar, and if you click on OK, you will get your Windows version. As you can see right now I'm using 1909, so make sure that you are using 1909 version. So after done, you have to go to your settings. After check your version, you have to go to your settings like this, go to start menu and click on this setting button. So now you have to click on update and security. So now here is, as you can see on Windows update, I am already get one update over there like Windows 10 version 2004. If you are not able to see these download and install button over there, then you have to become a insider member. So for that you need to click on this Windows Insider program, click over there and click on get start, and after that you have to link your Microsoft account with here. So click on link an account, and after that you have to put your Outlook email and password like Microsoft email and email ID and password. And after that you have to click on this check for Windows update, clicks for update, and after that you will get this option like download and install Windows version 2004. So just click on download and install, and it will take some time to installing, download and install. So I hope this small video will really help for you, and please don't forget to click on that subscribe button, like button and share button. And if you have any questions or question, then comments down below. I will see you guys on the next video. Take care.